Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Mama.
You tired? Scratching your hair. Alright, it's time to go have breakfast and get ready for school. Let's go. You can tell them. They're hearing you.
This is Jed's whisker. But where's the train? I need to find it. Oh, here. And this is Save. And he's a police pup. So this is my basket for the kitchen. The best in it.
What you going to buy in your basket?
I buy already something.
So where are they? Where are the things that you buy?
Come here. Mama.
Yes. You're looking at them?
Look at it.
They see you?
Yeah. Mama.
Yes.
What's that?
Yes.
What's that? What?
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes.
We walk like that.
You're walking.
Yeah.
He's walking on the bridge.
And then you turn to and then
He fall in the water?
and you fight in the water.
Me fall in the water?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna let me die?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good. I don't wanna die. Take me out of the water, please. You gonna let Mama die?
No.
So save me, take me out of the water. Oh, thank you, Tyler. You're a sweet boy. Thank you. Hi there guys, how are you guys doing? It's another school day for my mini-me and it's another work day for babe.
Mini-me.
You're not a mini-me?
No.
What are you?
I'm a big boy.
Okay, big boy. It's another school day for my big boy. That's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen, I can't take my grown-up. Baby's off to work. I'll be home today, but I have to go on the road to run a few errands. And yeah, that's what the day is basically gonna be like. I'll rest today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved and staying blessed and staying motivated.
And our father is at work.
Your father is at work.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you say my father is at work, right?
Yeah.
He's telling you guys that his father is at work. Anyway, you guys, Thailander is going to head out right now and go to school. As you guys can see, he's all dressed and all ready to go. So I'm gonna get my jacket on, get my shoes on, and head out, get back, have some breakfast, get ready, and then head back out on the road. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. It's your first time to our channel, please be sure to subscribe and drive the fam bam. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Love you guys, catch up and keep up, and I'll catch you guys at some point in the day. Tell Fib, see you guys later. Where are we going right now? To school. Yeah. All right, leave the train track, and when you come back from school you finish it, okay? Okay. All right, let's go get jacket and bag on.
I need to finish my train track after.
Yeah, after school, okay?
Okay.
All right, go on, let's go find bag and jacket. Go, 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 go. So of course you guys, I'm back and making breakfast, and no surprise here, that's what breakfast is gonna be: plantain and eggs. Story of my pregnant life, Jesus. And then I'm gonna have some good old Tetley tea after. So that's breakfast. Voila, all done and ready to eat. I'm having the yolk today, so like I said, some days I'll have the yolk and some days I just don't want to eat it, but today's one of those days. Alright, you guys, grab time. You guys, I'm in the supermarket and I find macarons. I've been trying to find these lately and I couldn't find them in my supermarket, and I find them here, so that's good. Just picking up a few goodies before I head home. Don't want much, just need soap. I forgot to buy soap this weekend at the supermarket, so I need soap. Find my macarons, and then I'm gonna head home. Where is it? Ah, here it is. I normally buy this soap in the big size. Extra. I would buy extra in the blue, but they don't have the blue, so I'm gonna take soap is so expensive. Let's see which one to take. I don't know. They have the extra in the blue, but it's so little right there. I don't want that. Let me take the extra in the green and try this one and see how it works. Alright, let me just scroll around the supermarket to see if there's anything else that I might see that I like, which I don't, but hey, it's worth a try. Nah, knowing me, I know I wasn't gonna find anything. Alright, let's go home. Let's go home. You guys, I am here making dinner before I go pick up my boy from school. I have rice in this pot. Oops, I forget my butter. Oh no, that's not good. I need to put butter in it. What? I'm like, something is missing. You know when you do something and your heart is telling you that something is missing, but you can't figure out what it is? Well, there you go. rice is going here, which is gonna be mainly for babe, and I'll tell you why. Over here you can't see it, but in this pot I have a big chunk of saltfish that is cooking, and I'm sure some of you already guess what that saltfish is gonna make. Let me show you if you don't know. And that saltfish is gonna go with ackee. Yes, I'm making ackee and saltfish. And in this pot over here, I am going to be adding boiled dumplings, which I already made the dough for, and green bananas. Ow, that burned me. So I'm gonna add boiled dumpling and green bananas in this pot right about now. Guys, there you have it. Din din is ready. Ackee and saltfish is done, rice is done, and my dumplings and boiled banana is done. Boom. Look who is home. Who is home? Della. What you doing?
I'm trying to finish my train track, but there is 10 pieces inside.
There's more than 10 pieces. But it's okay. Take your time. You can do it. Okay?
Mama?
Guess what Mama made for dinner today?
What do you mean?
I make ackee and saltfish and dumpling and boiled banana and rice. You excited?
Yeah, and ketchup.
And ketchup too. Okay, when you finish your train track, we can have dinner, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Mama?
Yes.
It's the same direction to go.
Okay. They're going in the same direction?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Enjoy doing your train trap. Mama going to sit a bit, okay?
Can you put this here?
You want you.
So you can put the camera here.
Okay.
Why?
All right. You want Faves to stay with you? Okay. There you go. You have Faves now. Okay? You see? It's there. Okay?
Tick-tock. Tick-tock.
Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Wow! It's long now.
Yeah.
Look how far you reach.
There's no more train track.
There's no more?
No.
Wow, I like the little roundabout in the middle that you made. That's cool.
That is Mr. Potato.
That is Mr. Potato.
Yeah.
You're so funny. All right, have fun.
Hi guys, and happy Monday. Yes, it's Monday, it's a new week. It's gonna be a good week, hopefully. So I wish all of you a new week, a happy new week. Yeah, so I am home with Tyler. I went to get him at school, and he's talking. So baby's at work. She have a good day, I think. Just talk to her. When I left this morning, I have a terrible headache. Oh, I don't know if it's making it, guys, to you. When Tyler called in the middle of the night for any reason, or if I have to wake up like instantly. Damn, I wake up and it's like a headache coming to my head. So that's what happened to me the last days. So I feel better now. But it's babe who just catch the headache. So hopefully it's not me who give it to her. Otherwise, babe, I'm very sorry. Tyler says don't want to eat right now. I mean, he want to play a little bit. So he's in his room. I make him play a little bit. He like to play in the middle room, like to do his chain. Hi Tyler, how are you? Tyler?
I'm fine.
You're fine. How was your day? What did you do at school today?
At school, I need to bed.
You play a little bit?
Yeah.
You play with your friend?
Yes.
Okay. And what did you eat today?
I eat fish.
You ate fish?
Yes.
That was good?
Yeah.
And what else did you eat?
I don't know.
Yes, you know what you ate. You ate cheese? You ate some cheese?
Yeah.
Yes, you like cheese? That's something at school. Every day they give him a different cheese. Well, I won't say different cheese from the beginning, but they always try to give a different cheese from another day. So, and Tyler liked the cheese. I think for us, he eat every day at school. I think it's a good experience, so he can have different things that we won't think about giving it to him at home. So yeah, I like when you eat at school and look like you enjoy. You playing? You making a track for the train?
Yeah.
Okay, so the train going under the bridge now?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I need to finish.
So what is the train sounds that makes? What the train makes like?
Choo-choo.
Say it again.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Show me the train.
Let me build it first.
Oh, you want to build that first? Oh, that's the train?
No, not like that.
I like this track. We can add different pieces. So at first you build just like a couple of tracks, and you can add different pieces. So yeah, that's something that I like to give him, and that's the chain. Okay, put the chain on the track and show me.
Not now.
Not now?
No.
Okay, you call me when you finish, right?
Oui.
Alright.
Il est presque fini, regarde.
Okay.
Regarde, c'est le chef du train.
Ça, c'est le chef du train? Is the train, is the driver?
Yeah.
Is the captain?
No.
No. How you put it in his train? Show me. That's where you... Oh, okay. Right, nice.
Have one, two, three.
Okay, so continue the track.
Okay.
Okay.
C'est pas la bonne direction.
C'est pas la bonne direction. That's not the right direction.
No.
Okay. That's better.
Yeah. Il y a des couleurs.
Okay.
Ah, il y a des d'autres parce qu'on veut se glisser. Il y a parce qu'on va se glisser.
Okay. Look, I find this and I find this too. Plus this one and this one too. Okay, and after that's finished. Oh. Alright, finish the track so you can show me how the train going in the track. I want to see the train on the track.
Okay.
Alright, so the track is finished.
Yeah.
Okay, so the train is going. Choo choo. Choo choo. Wow, okay.
Sinon, le bruit ici va rattraper.
Okay, show me the train again. Do the track. Go under the bridge and go on top of the bridge.
Oui.
Oh. Okay. Choo choo. Alright, go on top of the bridge. Nice. Ooh, good job. Give me a smile. You like the train?
Sinon, c'est qui va le rattraper. Le petit geste, il faut le rattraper. Voilà. Oui. Regarde comment j'arrête. Comme ça. Tu vois?
Okay. So the police stopped the train? Okay, so why the police have to stop the train?
Because I have to take it today.
Okay, it's going to jail. Is the train or is the driver going to jail?
It's the train going to jail.
Okay, you put the entire train to jail?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright guys, so looks like Tyler enjoys playing, so yeah, I'm going to eat and feed him in a bit.